Good day, everyone. Today we will be talking about the use of audiovisual aids in teaching and learning English as a second language. Audiovisual aids are props or pieces of equipment that help us convey our teaching points more effectively. However, it is important to note that these aids should not be the focus of the lesson but rather used as a tool to aid in the delivery of the content. We do not advocate building a lesson solely around the aid, as this can lead to a teacher-centered approach where students may only use their receptive skills, such as watching a video, listening to a song, or looking at a presentation on an interactive whiteboard, instead of having the opportunity to communicate and practice their language skills. The first step in planning a lesson is to identify the need, and then decide on the appropriate aid to use. The aid should be chosen based on their ability to effectively explain the target structures and concepts simply. If they do not serve this purpose, then they are not necessary for that particular lesson. Audiovisual aids should not be used as a treat for students or a reward for completing a boring exercise. Instead, they should be integrated into the lesson to promote practice in spoken and written English. Overuse of aids can lead to a teacher becoming a slave to them, which could ultimately deprive the students of the ultimate aim of communication. It is essential to remember that the quality of the teaching and materials used are the key factors in students' learning, not gimmicks or technological know-how. We must avoid the regrettable temptation to allow aids to become poor substitutes for lesson preparation. Therefore, the use of audiovisual aids should be carefully considered and balanced. When appropriately used, they can provide extra stimulus and help students understand the material more effectively. Realia, such as photographs, pictures, and objects, can be used as simple non-technical aids to enhance lessons. Modern technical aids, such as laptops, LCD projectors, and interactive whiteboards, can also be effective tools when used correctly. However, it is important to remember that these aids are not the focus of the lesson and should be used to support the language learning objectives. In conclusion, audiovisual aids are valuable tools for teaching and learning English as a second language, but their use must be carefully considered. The need for the aids should come first, and the aids must support the delivery of the content, not become the focus of the lesson. So, let us use these aids effectively and efficiently to enhance our students' learning experience. Thank you for listening.